Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today I am going to reveal the teaser of Bhartiya Urban Nico Homes by Bhartiya City, which is located near to Prestige Tech Cloud in Sadanahali, Bangalore. Now, in this teaser, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. It will be constructed on 62 acres of land parcel launching with 3 towers, with each tower of 2 basement, ground plus 22 floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so as mentioned, this project is located in North Bangalore in Sadanahali, near to Airport Toll Gate, and even it is very near to Prestige Tech Cloud. Several reputed school, hospital and major IT park are in the radius of 10 to 15 minutes from the project. Now about the amenities part, so this project is coming up with the luxurious amenities like of clubhouse, multi-purpose court, gymnasium, kids play area, indoor game facilities, and many more. Now coming to the super built up area, as mentioned, this project will be having studio apartment 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. So your studio apartment is starting from 480 square feet to 540 square feet. 1 BHK is starting from 750 to 800 square feet. 1.5 BHK is 950 to 1050 square feet. 1.5 BHK is 950 to 1090 square feet. 2 BHK starting from 1100 to 1200 square feet. 2.5 BHK is 1350 to 1400 square feet. 3 BHK is 1600 square feet to 1800 square feet. 3.5 BHK is 2100 square feet. 3 bed loft is 2100 square feet to 2200 square feet. And 4 BHK starting from 2500 square feet to 2600 square feet, super built up area. Now coming to the project booking process. So the project token windows are open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the sample slide once it's ready. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the token. So everyone, this was a teaser of Bhartiya Urban Nico Homes, which is located in Sadanahali, Bangalore, a project by Bhartiya City.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.